right. October 24th. This is the third trade I did on NDVA. So obviously, this one, if you see from the daily chart, was a big downhill, and it was mentioned by one of our moderator in the chat. Mushroom, really nice call. He was looking for a long, quick bounce, and but when I saw the message was I was already a little bit late. I was checking the daily chart and resistance stuff like that, and by the time I'm done looking at it, it's already start bouncing. Um, well, it happens to me all the time. This kind of stuff. So I missed it. I missed it. That's fine. So I will start looking for a quick pullback, then um, get short again. As if you watch my video, you have seen this, I would say, many times already in the past 9 videos. This is a very typical setup that we do in the chat, and just the momentum, downtrending momentum starting, and price start shifting, then people in for the longer term positions, like swing trader, position trader, and stuff like that, then they're panic. They're panic because on the daily chart, that stocks start breaking down the major resistance support. So people are panicked to sell their shares. Then we can take a advantage from it. So I was trying to using the other broker to get filled at 65 earlier, but it didn't. The price didn't hit 65s. So now I just wait for another opportunity to get short. As you see from the price action, the price start pulling back, start bouncing, and I would use that 69.60 level as my risk. A little bit above or between, that's fine to me. So any price, like anything back up that at that level, I would start getting short again. I will scale in my position. So just yeah, now we can watch here real quick. I'm trying to get into it. I saw the picking action, so I got something filled at 59.54. And I'm trying, but eventually I actually filled 200 shares. I was looking to fill 2,000 shares, but I clicked the one wrong thing. So right now I only have like a 1,200 shares get filled. I was looking for like a 2K, 3K, something like that. You know. I always want the smallest risk with bigger reward. So the risk is like 10 cents. The reward is $1.40, like 30 cents. Because if you're gonna risk 59.60 or 59.70, then there's $1 move on the bottom. So 58.60 on the bottom and 59.60 on the top, that's $1 move. And you risk 10 cents, you get what, 10 to 1 risk and reward. If you risk $200 or $100, you get $1,000 down the bottom. So to me, this is a good trade. So my average is 59.54. Yeah, just watch the price action. And yeah, then there's nothing too much I can talk about it. Yeah, just watch it, and I'm gonna speed up a little bit since this is a 22-minute clip. Here, yeah, right here I was trying to start covering, and first cover a little bit 600 half of it, and I want you to watch right here because this is they've been consolidating for a couple minutes. Then there's the tape start speeding up. There's a huge volume peaking out and start surging. And there's a couple. You see that 50,800 shares. The volume just surge, boom, bang, like that. And so this is the part that really I know that the price is gonna wash out later, like more. The price action is really weak. So eventually this thing actually fade off all the way to the 5750 level, and I also took a couple more trade along the way, but it's smaller than this position. So and yep, this is keep watching and see. See, there's I did a one really stupid thing is I routing my order like I set up my order like in the wrong way. Right now, you see, I set a OCO order, and at the short side, I supposed to gonna cover 600 at 5870 level, but I actually shorted at 5870 level. But the good thing is that once I realized it, I actually got filled. And once I realized it, I just quickly cover the rest. So didn't hurt me that much, but I wasn't really pay attention because I was watching something else. But the good thing is I got out safe. I had really good average. So anyway, yeah, you guys can watch this thing, and I hope you learn a few things. And thanks for watching. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and if you want to watch more, just subscribe. Thanks.